come to a complete stop. Once you come to a complete stop for uphill parking, hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 1 for the G2 road test here at the Hamilton Drive Test Center. So depending on where you have parked, and once you park here, this is what's going to happen. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen, and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G, and if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you 2 questions. Check yes or no for this. Number 1, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So hit next. And then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is. Your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car, and then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge, I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on, And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car, bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995-05-21.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please?
Sure.
GP? Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Just watch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. And get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready,
So
please
once you come out here to this point, once you are at this point, so the examiner will ask you to go left on Corona Road, so Corona Avenue. So it's either right or left for route number 1. So they can pick either or. So I have numbered the routes, so they can ask you for right or left. So in this case, I'm gonna go left here. So once you get to this point, please make sure you already have check your mirror, you have your signal on for the left, and check your blind spot, and then look right, left. Make sure that you're looking both sides. Nice and slowly come out. Please make sure, because if there are any cars coming from any side, do not move and turn left here. So please make sure that you're maintaining a good speed limit and keep going here. Any driveways, any roads or streets coming your way, please make sure that you're looking left, right. It's a very it's more industrial area. You're going to see a lot of commercial trucks here. Just be aware of them. And the road is a little bit bumpy as well. So at the traffic light, you will be asked to turn right. So please make sure that you're preparing yourself for the right turn, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. It's a red traffic light. Please make sure that you're coming to a complete stop. So when you're making a right turn on a red light, come to a complete stop, check both sides, no pedestrian, and then you can creep up nice and slowly. Slowly you can creep up and check for any cars from the left side. When there are no cars, that's when you can go. But if there are cars coming, please do not make your turn. So no cars, nice and slowly check your blind spot and make your right turn just like this. Continue on this lane. The examiner may ask you to change your lane to left, so then you change your lane to left, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Nice and slowly change your lane to the left here. Turn off your signal once your four wheels are inside the lane. You will be asked to turn left at the next traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Turn off the signal and turn it back on, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, because this is like a 2-lane change. So check your do 2 signals, and then we will be making a left turn on Nash Road North. So again, when you're waiting for the red light, if you're stopping behind another car, please make sure that you are maintaining a good space where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground of the car in front of you. Do not rush yourself. And while you're waiting at any intersection, just keep on looking, check your mirrors, check your surroundings. We got an arrow, so check left, right, and then I'm going to be making a left turn here. Turn off your signal, position yourself, and then change your lane back to right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and change your lane to the right. Turn off your signal once your four wheels are inside the lane, and continue on this lane unless you're asked to do some lane changes. So keep going here, and in here you will be asked to make a right turn. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we will be turning right on Nugent Drive. So check your blind spot nice and slowly. Turn right here. Do not rush. Watch for things like this. You're gonna see people around. You're gonna see it's a residential area. The speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour. Any streets coming your way, just look right or left if there's left there. When you're passing another car, please make sure that you're 1 meter away from the parked cars. Do not pass too closely, and continue on this. If there's a speed bump, slow down a little bit earlier and then take your foot off the brake and let the car go by itself. So on these streets, maybe anywhere, they're gonna ask you to do the emergency stop, uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, parallel park, like all that stuff for the G2. Check your blind spot when you're passing the car, nice and slowly pass the car. I will do some of the stuff in this video, route number 1, and some of the G2 stuff in route number 2. So if you're watching this, check the route number 2 as well, because I will do some of the stuff in route number 2 as well. So pass these cars nice and slowly. There's an always stop sign coming up, so I'm gonna come to a complete stop right here. So please make sure you're coming to a complete stop, just like this. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then you proceed. So you might be asked to do an emergency stop right after the next street on the right. So prepare yourself. Once you get to this point, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over for an emergency stop. So I'm gonna come to a complete stop here. So come to a complete stop first, turn off the signal and start from hazard lights first, then park your car and pull your parking brake. So this is an emergency stop or roadside stop. So they either call it a roadside stop or emergency stop, depending on the examiner, which term they're gonna use. If they ask you to pull over, when you're pulling over for either emergency stop, uphill, downhill, or 3-point turn, please make sure that you're checking your rear view mirror, you're signaling, and you're checking your blind spot about 3 houses or 5 seconds before your stop. So do that before and then come to a complete stop once you stop. So hazard lights first, park your car and pull your parking brake. And then the examiner will tell you can proceed when it's safe. So put the parking brake down first, then put the car in drive, turn off the hazard lights, check your rear view mirror. If there is any car coming and it's close by, please do not signal, wait for it. And if there's no car, then signal, check your blind spot, and then proceed. And then once you're back on the road, you can turn off the signal. So you might be asked to pull over for an uphill parking or 3-point turn here. So check the right side. Now I'm gonna pull over for uphill parking. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over here. You come to a complete stop. Once you come to a complete stop for uphill parking, so make sure that you're turning your wheels all the way to the left if it's an uphill with curb. If it's uphill without curb, then you're turning your wheels to the right. So uphill with curb, I'm turning my wheels all the way to the left. I'm parking my car and I'm pulling my parking brake. If you want to touch the ignition as well, just pretend that you're turning off the car as well. So you can do that, but if not, you don't have to. So that's uphill parking. Now, the examiner will tell you, so 90% of the time, the examiners will make you do a 3-point turn right after the uphill parking. So because your wheels are already turned to the left, and then we can easily do a 3-point turn. So I'll put down my parking brake. I'll put the car in drive. My wheels are already turned. I'm gonna check my rear view mirror. I will signal to the left. I'll check left, front, both sides, make sure nobody is there. And then I'm gonna go all the way until my left side mirror is on top of the curb. And then I'm gonna come to a complete stop. So once you stop, the first thing you do is put your car in reverse. Once you do that, then turn the wheels all the way to the right, check 360 degrees, look all around, and then when it's safe, you go all the way until your left side mirror is in the middle of the road, and then you come to a complete stop. So once you stop, gear first, and then turn your wheels to the left, check right, left, and then you can proceed just like this, and then you can go. Again, when there's any cars parked, just stay 1 meter away and continue here. Speed limit still 40. You will be asked to make a right turn at the always stop sign. So 3 houses, 5 seconds before, check your rear view mirror, signal, check your blind spot to the right, and we will be turning right on Kentley Drive. So come to a complete stop, always stop sign, check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then make your right turn just like this. Speed limit is still 40 kilometers per hour. It's not posted here, but it is residential area. My car display has a speed limit that shows that it is 40. Actually, it is posted there, so it is 40. And then you will be asked to make a left turn at the traffic light. So any streets coming your way, just look left, right, and continue. So from here on, I'm gonna check my rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and it's a green light. I'm gonna go halfway in. If there's any oncoming traffic, wait for them. Check left for any pedestrian, no pedestrian, and then you turn left into the first lane closest to you. You pick up your speed, position yourself, and after 20 to 25 meters, then you change your lane back to right. So check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and we're changing our lane back to the right. Guys, check my the playlist of my YouTube channel, and I have done route number 2 as well. So I did the emergency stop, uphill, and 3-point turn in this video, and I'll do the parallel park and downhill parking in the video number 2. So continue on this lane, and if you like this video and if you're learning anything from it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me some great comments. You're not going to lose anything by just clicking a button of subscription. Leave me some feedback, and I will appreciate that. That will make me a better video maker for you guys. So you'll be asked to turn right on Barton Street East, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. It's a red light. I'm gonna come to a complete stop. No rolling stop, guys. Please make sure that you're not rolling when you're stopping. Check for pedestrian, no pedestrian. You can creep up nice and slowly. Check left side, no cars, and then you can go to the first lane closest to you. This is called driving lane, so you must be on the driving lane all the time. You go to the left lane, so you'll be asked to change lane, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. We're only coming to this left lane when we are turning left or when we are passing. So you'll be asked to turn left at the traffic light, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and where the broken line starts from, that's where you get in. It's a green light. We're making a left turn. Sometimes it gives you an arrow. If it gives you an arrow, you just follow through. If not, when you're here, when there's one car in the middle of the intersection, wait behind the line. Check both sides. Now, no oncoming traffic, no pedestrian on the left, and I'm gonna make my left turn right here. So again, we are on Corona Avenue. This check left, right for any driveways, and do not panic. Just be calm. It's very easy here. You will love it. If you have your G2 road test here, I'm sure your driving instructors have given you some great lessons. You already know most of the stuff. Just take your nervousness out of your head, and I'm sure you will pass this test. You got this. And you will be asked to go back to the drive test center. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Prepare yourself, slow down, and turn right into the drive test center, just like this. And then when you go inside, they will ask you to park in one of the parking spaces. So you will park your car there, and then the examiner will give you the good news of congratulations, you meet the ministry standards. So then you go inside the drive test center. Please make sure that you're grabbing that ticket that you got at the beginning with you. Go to counter A, and then they will either call you by name or by the ticket number. And once you go there, they will give you a temporary license. If you have changed your address, please make sure that you notify them so that your license can come to the right address. They will give you a temporary license with your plastic one. They'll put a sticker on the plastic one, which will be valid as a photo ID, and the paper one will be your actual driver license until you get the plastic one. You can drive with both of them until you get the plastic one in the mail. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for the love and support. I've done videos for most of the drive test centers all around Ontario. Check out my YouTube channel. Leave me some great comments and feedback, and thank you for the support, and follow me for more. Welcome to Oriar Driving Academy, where your journey to confident driving begins.
At Oria, our professional instructors, both male and female, are dedicated to making your learning experience comfortable and effective.
Our team is known for their patience and personalized teaching methods, ensuring you gain the skills and confidence you need.
Whether you're a new driver or looking to brush up on your skills, Oria Driving Academy is here for you.
Oriya Driving Academy. Professional, patient, and personalized.
Start your driving journey with us today.